But my name is Yasemin Kanar, better known as Yaz on social media. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, to a Cuban revert mother and a Turkish father. My mother became Muslim 10 years before she met my father. So we were all born, alhamdulillah, Muslim, my brother and sister and I. Um, and, we were raised in a very, I guess like we didn't really fit in anywhere, right? With the, Arab community or the, is it South Asian community? We were just our own. So we were very, I guess, not to say different, but I guess we had the um, privilege of having a mother who has experienced both Muslim and non-Muslim lifestyle. So she was very, open to allowing us to be, I guess, a little bit more creative or to express ourselves. I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but um, anyways, she had always raised us in a way to wear our hijab at a certain age when we become women, and she definitely encouraged us and was a great role model. And when I became 13, my sister and I started wearing hijab at the same time. During that time, I was wearing hijab like in a very I don't know if you know Turkish style. Like they pin it very tight underneath the chin, and with the square hijabs. And anyways, it was just a little bit uncomfortable for me. But I was exploring new styles. In my mind, I'm like, I'm going to be wearing hijab for the rest of my life, inshallah. And the last thing I want is to be uncomfortable. So at around the age of, I want to say maybe 18. Um, 18, 19, I started like, exploring different styles with my hijab, still fully covered, but, or at least at least at the time, I thought they were fully covered. I've progressed along the years. Um, but I started exploring with different styles in front of the mirror. And at the age of 19, um, I decided to make my first YouTube channel showing how I do my hijab style, because so many women at the masjid, on the streets, like anywhere I went that there was Muslim women, I'd be asked, how do I do my hijab? How is it that I style it? And I would literally, if there was no men around, I would take it off and show them exactly how I did it. So it got to a point where I can't do that everywhere I go. So I started my first
That
video in my
that is
mom's house.
that